So here's the real truth about growing beautiful garden roses and being able to create a fabulous garden arrangement. Gardening is a lot simpler than people make it seem. All you have to do is garden by biblical principles and let God and nature do the rest. As you can see, I tried to prune that rose and it is the sickliest looking rose bush in my garden. All you have to do is just let nature be nature, and as you can see, during the spring, the roses look super healthy. Once you have spent blooms, just go ahead and cut those off and voila. Garden with me to learn quick, simple, easy tips, and happy growing. Peace, love, and flowers. Subscribe to the YouTube channel.